6 ways to incorporate avocados into your diet. It's also a good idea to pay attention to your overall nutrition and make sure you're getting a variety of different nutrients from a variety of sources. Avocados are a good source of monounsaturated fat, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and potassium. However, they do not contain all the nutrients your body needs, so it's important to eat a variety of other fruits and vegetables, as well as protein sources, grains, and dairy products to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Remember to eat avocados in moderation as they are high in calories and fat. It's also a good idea to vary your diet and include a variety of other fruits and vegetables to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Avocado is a versatile and nutritious food that can be easily incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways. Here are 6 ways you can add avocados to your meals and snacks. Spread mashed avocado on toast or sandwiches in place of mayonnaise. This is a healthier alternative to mayonnaise, as avocado is a good source of monounsaturated fat and nutrients, while mayonnaise is high in unhealthy saturated fat and calories. Add slices of avocado to salads or use it as a base for a creamy salad dressing. Avocado adds a rich, creamy texture and a boost of healthy fat and nutrients to salads. You can also mash avocado with some lemon juice and olive oil to make a simple and tasty salad dressing. Make guacamole by mashing avocado with diced tomatoes, onions, and peppers, and serve it with chips or veggies for dipping. Guacamole is a classic party dip that is easy to make and always a hit. You can also use it as a spread for sandwiches or a topping for tacos or burritos. Add avocado to smoothies for a creamy texture and a boost of healthy fat and nutrients. Avocado is a great addition to smoothies because it adds a creamy texture and a boost of healthy fat and nutrients, such as vitamin E and potassium. Use avocado as a topping for baked potatoes or roasted veggies. Avocado is a delicious and creamy topping for baked potatoes or roasted vegetables. Simply mash some avocado and spread it over the top of your potato or vegetables for a healthy and tasty addition to your meal. Make avocado ice cream by blending frozen avocado chunks with milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. Avocado ice cream is a creamy and tasty treat that is made with healthy ingredients. Simply blend frozen avocado chunks with milk, sugar, and vanilla extract in a blender or food processor until smooth, and then freeze in an ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Overall, avocados are a healthy and tasty food that can be easily incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways. Just remember to eat them in moderation as they are high in calories and fat, and be sure to include a variety of other fruits and vegetables in your diet as well.